How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Just thought I'd give you a quick update because it's raining and we want to see how the Color Crush detail spray is working 1 week later. So let's get out here to the car. I'll show you. Look good sitting out here, don't they? Now, for those of you that don't remember, I'll post a video up top of when we first applied the Color Crush detail spray, and it is listed as just a detail spray. You know, you come out, your car's not really filthy, your car's not really dirty and everything, and you can use that to wipe it down, or after you get done washing your car, you can add a little bit of protection with it because it's Si02 infused. But it's just a detail spray, and here we are 1 week later. And look at how it's holding up. Ah, man, look at those beads. Water is just not wanting to stay on top of this car. Let's go down to the hood where it's sloped so you can see it even better. And look at that. That is phenomenal performance out of just a detail spray. And the whole thing about the detail spray is, like I said, it's got Si02 in it, which is basically ceramic. Yes, I know, the key word these days is ceramic, ceramic, ceramic. Everybody wants it, everybody's got to have it. It's the greatest fad, yada, yada, yada. I understand, but look at it. Man, it is just, it's working wonders out of just a detail spray, as I have been told by so many people. But yeah, it gets on there, it adds an extra layer of shine, and then, as you can see, adds a lot of protection. Just look at that. But the things we do for YouTube, for you to get to see the byproducts of your time, your hard work and everything. Yep, I'm standing out here in my wife's umbrella with the turtles, the sea turtles that she got from one of those places that she belongs to, National Wildlife Federation, I think that this one came from. But anyhow, I'm gonna get out of the storm. I just wanted to come out here and show you in the rain how it's holding up. As you can see, it's holding up really good. This is 1 weekend. Well, we'll see how it holds up a little longer. Until next time, you guys get out there and enjoy your car. I'm enjoying mine, even though it's raining. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.